Dear students, today I am going to discuss states of matter with you. From the name of chapter, the first word strikes in your mind, that is matter. What matter is? Matter means all the things that occupy space and have mass. All living and non-living things are matter. For example, pencil, book, chair, water that you are drinking, all these things are matter. Means that have some mass and occupy some space, that is called matter. On earth all the things occupy some space, that is called volume. Next question is, what are molecules? All matter on the earth is made up of small particles that are called molecules. We cannot see them with the help of naked eyes, so microscope is required for that. It is a small unit of substance that can be broken down into atoms. Molecule is the combination of two or more atoms as shown. There are mainly three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. All the matter on earth are different from each other due to their molecule pattern. I will explain one by one. First is solid. Solid have a definite shape and volume that are hard because the molecules are tightly packed and the force of attraction between them is very strong. I am taking few examples of solids. All these are the examples of solids that are in your surroundings. You can see all these things: wood, stone, car, buildings, book, etc. Second is liquids. The molecules in liquids are less tightly packed. As you can see in this diagram, that are not very close. Some space is there. They do not have a fixed shape but have a fixed volume. In any container, if you want to keep liquid, then it will take the shape of that container. So they don't have any fixed shape, but volume remains always same. They can also flow because the molecules have some space, so the liquids can easily flow. These are some examples of liquids: water, milk, coffee, tea. You can take any example. Third is gases. In gases, the molecules are very loosely packed. They have neither fixed shape nor definite volume. They can flow more easily than liquids. A large space is available in the molecules, so they can move around freely and spread out to fill the available space. This is how the smell of a room freshener spread quickly to all parts of the room. These are few examples of gases. Gases are available in our surroundings but we cannot see them. Some examples are carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen that are available in our surroundings. I am going to show you the states of matter molecules. Here states. Here the three: solid, liquid, gas are given. Now when I will click on solid, then you can see this molecule pattern. When I am clicking on liquid, then you can see some space is there in the molecules. But on gases, there is a lot of space and can move freely. Here is one also. I can also show you the molecules of oxygen. You can see it is a gas. You can see the molecules. Now water. Water is a liquid. So you can see the molecules of water. Now here is also two properties: heat and cool. I can also heat the molecules as well as providing the coolness to the molecules. When I will heat, then what will happen? Just to see. It will start spreading. You can see here. Now I will provide some coolness to them. Now see, it will come back to its original situation, original condition. Now you have to wait a minute. Now the temperature is decreasing. You can see A verb, the temperature is given. Yes, it come back in its original situation.